happy middle of October. So you can see behind me the dogs are out. I wanted to get them out in the sunshine in some nice weather before the rain set in and explore a little bit. So I've got the Ridgeline out, we're doing some work, heading into the mountains right now. And there's a couple things that I wanted to test out. One, I made a DIY tailgate table for the Ridgeline, and I wanted to see how that thing ended up working out. It was really cheap. It's probably about 30 bucks. It used all the OEM mounting points and screw points, so that was a nice win. I don't know how functional it's gonna be, but we'll give it a shot. Okay, so here it is. This is my tailgate table that I ended up building DIY style, super basic, but super functional. So I ended up getting a piece of plywood, and I basically cut 15 inches high, and I think it's about 44 inches long. There's two Torx bits down here. I believe they're an M8. I'll double check before and put the description in the comments down below. But I basically got some piano hinges here and here. I took out the Torx bolt. I ended up getting some new bolts that were longer. That allowed me to put a spacer in between here to feel the recessed point in the tailgate. And then I put the bolt right through one of the holes. And then on top, I just screwed in some relatively flat screws. You can certainly get flatter than this. And this allowed, I tried a couple different ways, but this allowed the table to correctly go up and down. So in addition to that, I used every screw hole that's on the top of the tailgate. So this one right here, I ended up getting some picture hanger connectors here. This is a 100-pound cable. And then I pretty much just drilled a hole right in here, tied it off, and now it'll support quite a bit of weight actually. Right here, I ended up taking out these screws, and I got some really heavy-duty magnets from Amazon. Screwed that into that hole, got some longer screws here as well, and then put the other side right here. So we have two here, and then obviously finished it out with the last screw hole right here. But it allows this to go up, and when we were off-roading all the way into here, the bouncing, everything just stayed really tight. So as you can see, it's moving the whole tailgate just by this. It's not hard to pull down. And then the best part about this though, so now you have this workspace here. I think I used 1/2-inch plywood. I would probably use 3/4 inch just to prevent a little bit of flexing in the middle. I think most people end up putting a hinge here. I don't want to drill into my OEM tailgate at all. So for right now, we're just leaving this the way it is because it works. Yes, it's a little flimsy right in the middle, but it holds everything that I need it to. But the best part about this and why I wanted it is because it also allows me access to the trunk. So I can use this space while still having access to this. Like if I have the cooler in here, I can pull it out. I can start cooking right here on the surface, and then I have all my access points. So that's one of the reasons why I ended up wanting this here. The other nice thing is when this goes closed, obviously, this is still a little stiff, but it will fit right underneath there. When this closes, you can still open it like a normal tailgate, and this is flat. Like if you want to put wood on it or whatever, you're not going to damage this at all because it's recessing right on the back of the tailgate. So automatically, if you slam it hard enough, it'll open. And then there you go. So this is my DIY tailgate table for the Honda Ridgeline. This will work on any 2017 through 2020, whatever they end up making with this.